Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jason. You're now tuned into I Speak Geek. So I finally got my hands on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I want to go ahead and do an unboxing and do a quick first impressions. So guys, without further ado, let's get this unboxed. See if there's any juice in here. And I went with the gold this time. It's kind of like what I have with my previous phone. I did the gold that time. Um, I could have went with the space black, but the time to get it was pretty long, so I decided I'll just go ahead and stick with the gold. And as you can see, there is no SIM tray. And so the dynamic island, as you can see, takes the place of the notch, and you see it's substantially smaller, same height. And the camera module does look a lot bigger than the previous model. I'm curious if the case I have for this one will fit on there. I doubt it because it is the 14 Pro Max and this is the 13 Pro Max. They do look fairly similar. It does look like the color is slightly different on the 14 Pro. And as you can see, it doesn't fit. The camera module is slightly bigger. Guys, this is the 14 Pro Max. I'm gonna play with this, get it set up, and I'll come back and give you my review on the 14 Pro. But guys, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. And this is Jason, and you're now tuned into I Speak Geek. Later.